Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you can.
Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel, and thank you also very much for joining me for another real life motivational cleaning video. So today I am cleaning or like refreshing my laundry area. I do try to clean this area at least once a week, but as you all can see, I have been slacking. I want to thank you also very much for watching today. If you find yourself enjoying this video, hit that subscribe button right along with that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Also, leave a comment down below. It really helps my channel grow and be recommended here on YouTube. And if you think someone else may enjoy this video, be sure to share it with them because it's free motivation, and who doesn't like free? Well, that is enough chit chat, you guys. Let's go ahead and tackle this hot mess. So the first thing I'm doing is just removing everything off of the washer, the dryer, and also the shelves, and I'm just putting it on the table behind me.
To be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
You guys, I am totally embarrassed. Look at all this dust up here. This is insane. So when I take the lint out of the lint collector thingy inside of the jar, I just set it up there. I don't know why I do it, but I do it instead of just taking it to the trash. Anyways, you guys, this is so disgusting.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can.
I like this NBD multi-surface cleaner. It gets the job done. And you guys know I never use paper towel, but this was in the laundry area and I was like, let me use it up and just get rid of it. Usually I would use like a reusable rag or something like that I could wash in the washer and dry in the dryer. But I found these up there and I was like, let me just go ahead and use them all up and try to get rid of them.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't.
There are some spots where like the laundry detergent or the fabric softener spilled, so I'm scrubbing like a mad woman.
I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
So I decided to wipe these bins out because they were just a little dusty. And I did pick these ones up from the Container Store. I have some also from IKEA. I prefer the ones from IKEA because I feel like they're made just a little bit better. If you're new to my channel, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Evita and I am a wife plus a mother. Currently, I live in South Carolina. Comment down below where you're watching from and also just go ahead and introduce yourself. But I love posting motivational cleaning, decluttering, and organizing videos. If you enjoyed those type of videos, please consider subscribing because I would love for you to become part of my YouTube family.
Talking to each other, I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle, yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing, time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before, yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you.
So typically I would use a funnel to fill this up, but for some odd reason, this moment I decided that I was going to be lazy and not pick up the funnel and use it. And of course, you guys, I end up spilling it.
It's always mixed emotions. The first step is always.
So I got a little smarter and got the funnel for the Clorox Bleach, and then I'm also going to use one for the Lysol laundry sanitizer.
The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before, yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do, let's break away. Somehow this is beautiful, yeah. About time we let things go. Is this our destiny? Just like it was meant to be, yeah. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide.
So here are the end results, and I must say it looks 1,000 times better. There's no more dust or anything like that. It's not Pinterest picture perfect, but it looks good to me. But thank you all so very much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also please consider subscribing because I would love for you guys to be part of my YouTube family. But I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.
Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above the door. Meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all. I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again.